In an astonishing revelation that promises to keep audiences on the edge of their seats, new photographs from Mar-a-Lago have emerged, shedding light on the chaos within the estate where former President Donald Trump allegedly stored classified documents after leaving the White House in 2021. These images, included in a recent filing by Special Prosecutor Jack Smith's team, were captured during the FBI's search and reveal a scene that is both shocking and absurd. The photos depict a startling level of disorder, with boxes of sensitive materials chaotically mingled with personal items. One particularly jarring image shows a box of highly classified documents lying right next to a 2019 New York Times Sunday Business section, a piece of reading material certainly out of place among state secrets. Another photo shows an unsigned letter to a Sandy Hook family, discovered in a closet alongside a case of Diet Coke, Trump's vanity pictures, and surplus MAGA gear. The mix of top-secret documents and everyday clutter creates a scene more reminiscent of a college dorm room than a secure location for government archives. This chaotic environment is not just a matter of clutter but raises serious concerns about national security. The images taken by Trump co-defendant Walt Nauta show classified materials carelessly spilled across the floor, underscoring a careless attitude towards handling sensitive information. The FBI's discovery of crucial state secrets amidst golf gear, personal memorabilia, and mundane household items adds a layer of absurdity to the gravity of the situation. In response to these revelations, Trump's legal team has employed a strategy that seems almost as chaotic as the scene depicted in the photos. They argue that the FBI mishandled evidence during the search, claiming this should invalidate the case. However, this argument appears laughable given the state in which the documents were found, strewn among personal items and random junk. This defense tactic underscores the desperation of Trump's team, as they try to deflect from the incriminating nature of the evidence. Rewinding to May 2021, just 4 months after leaving office, the National Archives requested Trump to return missing documents. This request led to months of negotiations, with Trump's representatives eventually admitting that there were classified materials at Mar-a-Lago. By May 2022, the Justice Department issued a subpoena for any remaining classified documents. In a Newsmax interview, Trump nearly confessed to taking these documents, claiming he did so legally and openly, a statement that only complicates his defense further. The photographs not only reveal Trump's disregard for protocol, but also highlight his growing legal troubles. As he faces mounting pressure, Trump's defense strategies become increasingly erratic. These latest images from Mar-a-Lago add fuel to the fire, providing visual proof of the disarray and negligence that characterized his handling of classified information. The saga doesn't end with these photographs. Trump's legal battles are intensifying as he continues to employ various tactics to delay the inevitable. His recent claim that the FBI's alleged mishandling of his T-shirts and soda cans should nullify the case is just one of many desperate moves. Such arguments are seen as stalling strategies, buying Trump time as he hopes for a favorable outcome, perhaps from the Supreme Court or another unforeseen legal maneuver. Looking ahead, the stakes are incredibly high. The Supreme Court is set to make several crucial decisions that could impact Trump's future significantly. Among the major cases is whether Trump has immunity from criminal prosecution, a decision that could determine whether he faces jail time or continues to pursue his political ambitions unimpeded. This is a monumental moment not just for Trump but for the entire nation, as the outcome could reshape the political landscape. Meanwhile, Trump's behavior suggests he is acutely aware of the precariousness of his situation. His efforts to discredit the investigation and portray it as a political witch hunt reflect his anxiety over the impending legal repercussions. As the courts prepare to rule on key issues, Trump is likely watching closely, knowing that the decisions could make or break his future. Adding to the drama is the role of Judge Aileen Cannon, who has shown a notable tendency to favor Trump in her rulings. Her handling of the classified documents case has drawn significant criticism, with many accusing her of bias and inexperience. Despite suggestions that she recuse herself due to perceived partiality, Judge Cannon has persisted, raising further questions about the integrity of the judicial process. Judge Cannon's actions are under intense scrutiny. Her decision to entertain Trump's outlandish legal arguments, rather than dismissing them as obstruction tactics, has raised eyebrows. Critics argue that her rulings show a clear bias towards Trump, suggesting that she may be trying to repay him for her judicial appointment. This has led to speculation about her motivations and the potential long-term impact on her career. The controversy surrounding Judge Cannon is just one aspect of a broader concern about the weaponization of the legal system. Trump's ability to manipulate and delay the legal process has frustrated many, leading to calls for a more impartial and experienced judge to oversee the case. As it stands, Judge Cannon's handling of the case appears to be playing into Trump's hands, allowing him to drag out proceedings and potentially avoid accountability. As we move forward, the nation's eyes remain fixed on the unfolding drama. With the Supreme Court poised to make significant rulings and Judge Cannon's controversial decisions under scrutiny, the outcome of this legal battle remains uncertain. The photographs from Mar-a-Lago have added a new layer of complexity to the case, providing a visual testament to the disarray and negligence that characterize Trump's handling of classified information. This saga is far from over. Each new development adds to the tension and raises the stakes for all involved. The coming weeks will be crucial in determining not only Trump's fate, but also the integrity of the judicial system and the future of American democracy. The nation watches with bated breath, awaiting the next chapter in this unprecedented legal and political drama.